had a lot of anxiety and worry, and I wanted to learn to be more present rather than living my life with that worry about what was going to happen in the future. Hasn't happened yet. That I have a son who is a recovering alcoholic, and as a mom, I am just consumed, or I had been just consumed with worry practically every day, all day. I know he wants to recover, but I know it's hard. And when he does have a relapse, he beats himself up, he hates himself. And then I just am in so much pain because my child is in pain. The way these programs work is that you do daily lessons and people make comments, you can read the other comments, kind of gives that feeling of community, understanding what other people are going through. And then he also leaves comments in response to other people's comments and then your own comments. So it felt very personal, very supportive, and it was just comforting having that personal connection. This program was teaching me to understand that, recognizing when that anxiety was coming to visit me, acknowledge that it was here, observe how I felt, accept that that was where I was at the moment, and then release it. And I was able to sort of go through the process instead of getting caught in this cycle of just nonstop worry and that monkey brain. You have to be in the now. You're not going to be able to change what has happened in the past. You're giving away what you have right now by worrying about things that didn't happen. I am so glad that I joined, and I would recommend it to anybody who has some situation that it's just on their mind that they really can't let go. Thank you, Giovanni.